Chapter 9. Adjectives. Adjectives are descriptive words. They usually answer which, what kind of, how many questions. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Words like small, blue and sharp are descriptive, and they are all examples of adjectives. Because adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual people and unique things. They are usually positioned before the noun or pronoun that they modify. Some sentences contain multiple adjectives. In the following examples, the highlighted words are adjectives. They live in a big, beautiful house. Since it's a hot day, Lisa is wearing a sleeveless. The mountain tops are covered in sparkling. On her birthday, Brenda received an antique vase filled with fragrant. Types of adjectives. Adjectives can modify as well as describe other words, and you'll find it much easier to identify different types of adjectives when you see them. A. Articles. There are only 3 articles and all of them are adjectives. A, an and they. Because they are used to discuss non-specific things in people. A and an are called indefinite articles. For example, I'd like a banana. Let's go on an adventure. Neither one of these sentences names a specific banana or a certain adventure. Without more clarification, any banana or adventure will do. The word, the, is called the definite article. It's the only definite article, and it is used to indicate very specific people or things. Please give me a banana. I'd like the one with the green stem. Let's go on an adventure. The Grand Canyon mule ride sounds perfect. B. Possessive adjectives. As the name indicates, possessive adjectives are used to indicate possession. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Possessive adjectives also function as possessive pronouns. C. Demonstrative adjectives. Like the article, the, demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate or demonstrate specific people, animals or things. These, those, this and that are demonstrative adjectives. These books belong to me. This movie is my favorite. Please put those cookies on the blue plate. D. Coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are separated with commas or the word and appear one after another to modify the same noun. The adjectives in the phrase bright, sunny day and long and dark night are coordinate adjectives. In phrases with more than 2 coordinate adjectives, the word and always appears before the last one. For example, the sign had big, bold and bright letters. To eliminate confusion when determining whether a pair or group of adjectives is coordinate, just insert the word and between them. If and works, then the adjectives are coordinate and need to be separated with a comma. E. Numbers adjectives. When they're used in sentences, numbers are almost always adjectives. You can tell that a number is an adjective when it answers the question, how many? The stagecoach was pulled by a team of 6. He ate 23 hot dogs during the contest and was sick afterwards. F. Interrogative adjectives. There are 3 interrogative adjectives, which, what and whose. Like all other types of adjectives, interrogative adjectives modify nouns. As you probably know, all 3 of these words are used to ask questions. Which option sounds best to you? What time should we go? Whose socks are those? G. Indefinite adjectives. Like the articles a and an, indefinite adjectives are used to discuss non-specific things. You might recognize them, since they're formed from indefinite pronouns. The most common indefinite adjectives are any, many, no, several and few. Do we have any peanut butter? Grandfather has been retired for many years now. There are no bananas in the fruit bowl. I usually read the first few pages of a book before I buy it. We looked at several cars before deciding on the best one for our family. Attributive adjectives. Attributive adjectives talk about specific traits, qualities or features. In other words, they are used to discuss attributes. There are different kinds of attributive adjectives. First, observation adjectives, such as real, perfect, best, interesting, beautiful or cheapest, can indicate value or talk about subjective measures. Second, size and shape adjectives talk about measurable, objective qualities including specific physical properties. Some examples include small, large, square, round, poor, wealthy and slow etc. Third, age adjectives denote specific ages in numbers, as well as general ages. Examples are old, young, new, 5-year-old. Fourth, color adjectives are exactly what they sound like. They're adjectives that indicate color. Examples include pink, yellow, blue etc. Fifth, origin adjectives indicate the source of the noun, whether it's a person, place, animal or thing. Examples include American, Canadian, Mexican, French. Sixth, material adjectives denote what something is made of. Some examples include cotton, gold, wool etc. Seventh, qualifier adjectives are often regarded as part of a noun. They make nouns more specific. Examples include log cabin, luxury car and pillow cover.